Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an amazing and unique way to make cold pressed coconut oil that you've probably never seen before. And here is the kicker. I'm only using 3 small matured coconut to demonstrate this. Trust me, the results are worth it. And we will even have a surprise twist at the end, so stick around. I started by cracking open this coconut off camera, but don't worry, the fun part is coming up. Here, I'm carefully removing the shell. These parts take a bit of patience, but it's super satisfying once you get the hang of it. Now, I'm washing the coconut meat to make sure it is nice and clean. And then I will grate it finely using this kitchen grater. This step is really important for extracting as much oil as possible later. Once grated, I spread the coconut evenly on a tray and let it sun dry for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. This step removes excess moisture and gets the coconut ready for oil extraction. Look at this. After just 2 hours of sun drying, the coconut is already releasing its oil when I squeezed it. This is a great sign that we are ready for the next step. Now comes the exciting part. I'm using a manual fruit juicer lined with cheesecloth. I added a portion of the dried grated coconut. Twist the cheesecloth tightly and squeeze. Look at that. It is pure coconut oil coming out. I keep squeezing until the coconut is completely dry. Look at how dry this is. No oil left behind. Then I repeated the process until all the grated coconut is processed. And here it is, the beautiful, fresh cold pressed coconut oil. It is pure, natural, and smells incredible. But wait, we are not done yet. Now for the real magic. I am spreading the dried grated coconut we just extracted the oil from back on the tray and sun drying it for 1 more hour. Once it is crispy and completely dry, it is time for the next step. I take a small portion of the dried coconut, added it to my blender with some water, and blended for just 30 seconds. Then I pour it into a cheesecloth over a bowl and squeeze. Look at this. It is rich, creamy, and fresh coconut milk. Can you believe this? All the sweetness and nutrients are still preserved because of the unique method we use. This milk is perfect for cooking, baking, or even drinking fresh. And here is the best part. This dried grated coconut can be stored in an airtight jar for up to 12 months. Nothing goes to waste, and we have kept the process simple and quick. Unlike the traditional method, where you extract the milk first and then the oil. This method gives you the best of both worlds, oil and milk with less effort and time. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative and unique ideas. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this method or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.